So, Executive 45 final. Executive 45 final here in Kamulan Festival 2026. Tora, gibuyana. La, grabe, Sir Sokpay. Tall shot. Yes, Councilor Daniel Katibay. Kedua, Sir Sok Torelias.
Open class, prepare na, open.
Councilor Daniel Katibay. Ikadua, Sir Sok Torelias. Tata Kalingasyon. Carl Amoroso. Ito yung number 15. Tristan Galanto, si John Tabas, and then Boss Dexter Bakamak. Ayun, Councilor Danden Katipay on the lead. Sir Sok Torelias on second. Hara. Sir Sok Torelias. Fourth, Carl Amoroso on the lead. It's Danden Katipay. Second, it's Tata Kalingasyon. This is Executive 45 final here in Kamulan Festival 2025. Boss Dexter Bakawak. Dikit ang laban, no? Tata Kalingasyon versus Councilor Danden Katipay. Dikit ang laban. Wow. Gandang laban. Dikit ang laban. And Sir Sok Torelias versus Carl Amoroso and Boss Tristan Galanto. White flag na, white flag. John Tabas. Lupad. Wow. Oy, Tata Kalingasyon ang dalit. Tara, battle of third. Sir Sok Torelias, Tristan Galanto and Carl Amoroso. Battle of third. Battle of third. Wow. Oops. Waiting for checkered flag. Tata Kalingasyon. Ay, third na, Tristan Galanto. Second is Councilor Danden Katipay. Checkered na, Tata, checkered. Second, Councilor Danden Katipay. Junti, oh. Third, Tristan Galanto. Fourth, Sir Sok Torelias and Carl Amoroso. Checkered. Junti and isa man eh. Checkered. Bong Naps. Checkered.